In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to make early payments on Affirm. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. The best way to manage your payments is through the Affirm mobile app. So open up the latest version of the mobile app, and in there, on the home screen, you should be able to navigate to Manage by selecting Manage at the bottom menu. Immediately, when you click Manage, you are going to see your total balance, your current loans, and your past loans. All you have to do in this window is select any of your current loans. When you click on any of the loans listed here, you will be able to see the details about this specific order. So you will be able to see the amount that you need to pay, the amount when it's due, etc. In there, you will also have the option to select Pay Now and Make an Early Payment, referring to the specific order you selected. So just open up its details and click Pay Now. You can do this as many times as you want, as long as you have funds available in your balance to cover the costs. Every time you make a new purchase or order, it will be listed over here, and you will be able to manage the specific payment plan that you want to use for these orders in this Manage window. Once you are satisfied, the changes will be applied instantly. I hope I was able to help you on how to make early payments on Affirm. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.